My name is Kendall Austin. I've been in business for since I was 25 years old. I own three franchises, all of which took a huge investment up front and would typically take 3 to 5 years to get any real return out of it. Um, I got interested in the drones about a year ago, and then found the Drone Boss. Ordered the book, and I can't tell you how excited I am to get in on the curve, as we call it, the cutting edge. I think this is absolutely the future. What I love about it is the minimal investment. And if you take your business knowledge, whether you have it already or whether you're learning from this program here and put it to work, I think we're going to all be very successful. As far as so far, I would definitely recommend the program to everyone I come in contact with, and I hope that I can share this with my children and grandchildren as we build the program. The marketing part of it so far and the delivery from the Drone Boss have been phenomenal, amazing. As I said, I've been part of three different franchises, and I went to many powwows, as we called them. Most of the time, we were flying to different cities to have the meetings, but just so far, I mean, this is top notch. The depth of the marketing, and we've just got started, is amazing. So I absolutely have enjoyed it so far. Will continue to enjoy it, and I'm looking forward to getting my drone business growing and getting another revenue stream going and making some profit. And again, I hope to share this with my grandkids and my children, and to help them develop their own successful drone business. Anyway, sorry for that. I live in North Carolina. I just moved here from Virginia, and the allergies here with the pollen are absolutely nuts. So forgive my hoarseness there. Thanks a lot. Enjoying the show. Take care. Bye.